Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is the daily vocab session. In this session, we discuss 5 words daily, which are important for exams like SSC, CGL, CHSL, CPO, CDS, IBPS, railways, defense exams, and all other different competitive exams. This session is also very helpful for those who want to improve their vocabulary. So, without wasting much time, let's start the session. Our first word is delineate. Delineate means to describe or portray something precisely. किसी भी चीज़ को किस बहुत अच्छे से प्रिसाइजली डिस्क्राइब करना, आउटलाइन करना या डिफ्रेंशिएट करना बाकी चीज़ों से, दैट इज़ नोन एज डेलिनेट. Similar words are to explain, describe, present, outline, depict, portray, or represent. Let's look at the examples. Jason put a fence up to delineate his property from his neighbors. So Jason uh, put a fence to describe or to outline his property from the neighbors. As an artist, Hiren can delineate the lines of person's face using both pencils and paints. So Helen can describe or portray or represent a person's face, lines of person's face by both pencils and paints. So the meaning of delineate is to describe or portray something precisely. Our next word is menace. Menace means a person or thing that is likely to cause harm, a threat or danger. कोई भी चीज़ जो खतरा है किसी चीज़ के लिए, that is known as menace. So it's a very simple word. Similar words for this is threat, danger, peril, risk, hazard. Let's look at the examples. First example is once the baby learned to walk, he became a menace who pulled down every item he could reach. So here, menace has a meaning that it became a danger, it became a threat. The baby. Our next example is the weed invading my vegetable garden are huge menace. As you know, weeds grow on their own. So in the vegetable garden, it was like a menace. Our next word is occult. Occult means something that is mystical, that is supernatural, or something very magical powers with magical powers or practices. कोई भी चीज़ जैसे जो जादुई सी हो, दिव्य हो, कोई भी ऐसी जो मतलब आउट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड, मतलब जो ऐसी लगे कि कुछ चमत्कार है, दैट इज़ नोन एज ऑकल्ट. So similar words are supernatural, magical, mystical, paranormal. Let's look at the examples. Our first example is it is said that on Halloween night all the occult creatures walk the earth. So in the sentence, occult means supernatural creatures or creatures that are like magical walk the earth. Our second example is Mary's occult shop contains a variety of spell books, herbs, magical cards, and crystals. So Mary here owns a shop which contains occult materials such as spell books and herbs. Our next word is vindicate. Vindicate means clear someone of blame or suspicion. किसी को किसी ब्लेम से या फिर किसी सस्पिशन से बरी करना या फिर उसको उससे मुक्त करना, दैट इज़ नोन एज विंडिकेट. अ सिमिलर वर्ड इज जस्टिफाई, acquit, clear, absolve, and there are a few other words like exonerate. Let's look examples. You can vindicate your claim to this property by showing us the original deed. So here the vindicate means to you can justify your claim to this property by showing us the original deed. Second example is while your apology doesn't vindicate your action, it may help to provide some comfort for the people who were harmed by it. So here also the meaning of vindicate is justify, to absolve. Okay, let's look at the next word, that is benevolence. Benevolence means the quality of being well meaning, that is quality of being kind enough, or like being good, that is known as benevolence. Similar words are kindness, goodness, or goodwill. You will get a better picture of this word or better clarity on this word by looking at the examples. The homeless man depended on the benevolence of the good and gave souls that he met in the street. So here, homeless man depended on the goodwill of the good persons. Okay. Another example is known for her benevolence. Mother Teresa's kindness and compassionate spirit shine through in all she did. So, as we all know, Mother Teresa's kindness and compassionate behavior was well known to everyone, and she got the Nobel Prize for the same. These are the five words that we are going to discuss today. Let's have a quick revision before ending the session. Our very first word was delineate. Delineate means to describe or to portray something precisely. Next word is menace. Menace means a person or thing that is likely to cause harm or some threat or danger. Our third word was occult, which means something supernatural, mystical, something that has that is uh, not normal, something that is paranormal. Our next word was vindicate, which means to clear someone of blame or suspicion. And the last word is benevolence, which means the quality of being well-meaning and being kind or good. That's all we have for this session. Hope you have liked the session. If you haven't, please like the session and subscribe to the channel, because we upload these vocab session daily on regular basis. So for the regular updates, please subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.